Shannon, very good morning, Ryanair 45 Foxtrot Hotel with you, climate flight level 310 with direct Everett.
Ryanair 45 Foxtrot Hotel, Shannon, hello, radar contact.
Shannon, Virgin 76 X-ray flight level 360.
76 X-ray, Shannon, hello, radar contact.
Shannon, Ryanair 45 Foxtrot Hotel, any turbulence reports this morning?
Negative, sir, not along your route.
Great, thank you.
Shannon, 394.
Go ahead.
Is there any military traffic you got right now?
There's nothing showing on either primary or secondary.
Okay, it was moving so fast, in fact, you can no longer see it, but yes, thank you.
Alongside you?
Get to come up on our left-hand side and then rapidly veer to the north. We saw bright light and then it just disappeared at a very high speed. We were just wondering. We didn't think it was a likely collision course, we were just wondering what that could have been.
The Virgin 76 also saw that in our 11 o'clock position, two bright lights.
Say again?
Virgin 76, I saw two bright lights, 11 o'clock, seemed to back over to the right and then climb away at speed, at least from our perspective.
Okay, we're passing that on there, thank you.
Meteor or another object making some kind of re-entry. Appeared to be multiple objects following the same sort of trajectory, very bright from where we were.
Okay, that's copied.
Glad it wasn't just me.
No, yeah, very interesting that one.
Speedbird 94, Shannon.
94, go ahead.
Okay, just so you know that other aircraft in the air have also reported the same thing, so we're going to have a look and see.
The speed was astronomical, it's like Mach 2 or something.
Roger, okay, thank you.